Okay, it is now 12:15 on Friday. 78 degrees outside, significantly warmer it feels like in the car. Just turned the car on, clutch in, was at it, just took it out of first. So going back into first, okay. Second, okay. Third, okay. Fourth, sticking. Let's see if it'll go in. Nope. Oh, now it goes. It would not go into fourth though. And then fifth, okay. And now, of course, fourth. Look, see, now fourth is fine. You know, that's the way it. So it's shifting smoother now that it's warmer. Look at that. And right into reverse. So that temperature may be a factor as well, considering the fact that warmer there, it shifted much more easily than colder. That would indicate there's a fluid or lubrication type thing, like I mentioned when I came in. So backing out onto the street. All right, I'm stopped in the street and go to push into first, went in, but not going into second. If I lift the clutch out, there it goes. Clutch is up, and then it just popped right back out. You know, it should be able to go into any gear when it's at a stop like this. It shouldn't be a case of guessing whether a gear is going to go in or not, or letting a clutch out a little bit and having it slip in, or rolling the car to get it to go into gear. Just pulled back up the driveway. Clutch is in again. Take it out of first. I'm lifting the clutch up, clutch in. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then no reverse. Oh, there it goes into reverse after a wiggle on it, but it did not want to go right into reverse there. See, it hits there. But again, shouldn't have to play with it to go into reverse that way. Not right. All right, thanks. Bye.